Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Solana, which I obviously had to make because we had a huge, we had a pretty big bump over the course of last night. As you can see right here, Solana was able to continue this. It was actually a consolidation here on the 1 hour time frame. But continue the higher time frame trend, which was obviously bullish, as most of you know. By breaking above 225 and 222. And I think the last time we covered Solana, I was a little bit too early, I think, because the last time I covered it, I think was on Thursday, and back then we did not break out yet. But in general, this breakout was to be expected. All right, Solana was lagging a bit, so most of you that actually hold Solana probably saw that. That Solana was consolidating basically from Monday till Saturday, yesterday. Well, a lot of altcoins were performing very, very well. So yesterday that changed. We got some huge leverage into Solana here, as you can see. The funding rate is actually quite high as well, which is, that increases the chances of some sort of a spike down. I wouldn't be too scared of that yet, because the funding rates are not that high. But it is something good to know, and that also brings opportunities, all right? Because what that means is that we could actually have a relatively big spike down. So that's a great opportunity to actually get back into Solana, because Solana over the next couple of months is obviously going to perform great, at least if the market stays bullish like this, which I would assume it does. So overall, that's what we did. Consolidation, broke out above the consolidation with momentum right here. I believe it was also with volume, which is very, very crucial, because what you want to see is that a breakout like this happens with leverage and volume, all right? If a breakout like this only happens with leverage, then it's very risky, because all of that leverage is especially going into such a strong resistance level around 250. It's more likely that they'll sell off. So what you see right now is that the volume is also up 55% in the weekend. That's great, together with leverage. So we got that big bullish breakout. So what we're going to do right now with Solana is head up for that previous all-time high. Now, if you look at the all-time high, what you can see right here, historically, if we actually get back there, is that it's basically it's kind of formed out of two levels, right? And I would say the real all-time high, the real resistance, is more around this level right here, between, let's say, 248 and 244, which I'm not going to drag that all the way right here, but I would say that's the main resistance. So what I assume for now, and what I think is most likely, you can also see we actually very nicely on the 4 hour broke above the daily POC right here. So for now, Solana still looks very strong. Momentum is also still going up. So I do think we're going for that all-time high level. I do think we're going for 248 with the potential to actually spike up higher. But the big question is going to be, well, can we actually break above that all-time high? And I find that a difficult question to answer. Long-term, for sure. All right, long-term, my price targets for Solana are much, much higher than where they are right now. And I think if you look at the fundamentals, that's also certainly confirmed. I mean, the TVL is still increasing. Right now it's at 7.6 billion. DEX trading volumes are still ridiculously high. I believe... No, I'm not sure if they're higher than Ethereum. I'm not going to claim that. But overall, the picture still looks great for Solana. But I would say the only way, with the leverage we have right now and just in general the market circumstances, the only way to actually break above this all-time high level, so we can spike up and make all-time highs, I think that's quite likely. But the only way to actually break above this is, I think, if Bitcoin also makes all-time highs. So that's what I would keep an eye on if I were you, if you're actually interested in that. For me, it doesn't matter that much because I have no short-term trades open on Solana. I just hold a big spot position on it. So what I would say is most likely for now is that we will probably spike up to a new all-time high, but that from there we will settle back down a bit, maybe have some sort of a spike down into 220 and 215, consolidate there before actually going up higher. The details can still be different, and I'll keep you updated on that. But that is ultimately for now what I would say is most likely. Right? But keep an eye on Bitcoin, because the markets are bullish, and I would not be surprised if we actually just break above this level and head for 300 or 290 from here. So if that happens, I was wrong, but that doesn't mean that you should not keep an eye on it. All right, so keep an eye on Bitcoin. For now, I would say this is most likely given the current circumstances. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll keep you updated. For now, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great weekend, and bye.